guys, this is Liz Magic and today I'll be making General Tao chicken. I already prepped my carrots, ginger, green peppers, chili peppers, onions, garlic. Right in this bowl I have chicken breast that I already sliced up. I'm going to show you how I'm going to marinate this chicken breast and how we're going to make this delicious dish. Some of the spices I'll be using and other ingredients are right here. Here, a blend of mixed seasoning with paprika and seasoning salt, vegetable oil, black pepper, hoisin sauce, vinegar, cornstarch, sesame oil, soy sauce, powdered garlic, dark brown sugar. We're gonna start putting the ingredients into my chicken breast. Can let it marinate for half an hour. First, I'm gonna add dark soy. I'm gonna sprinkle some garlic powder into it, some black pepper, a blend of mixed seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle that in. A blend of, the main thing is your cornstarch, because this is what helps to coat the chickens. I'm going to put 4 heap, not a tablespoon. I'm heaping it up. I'll list the ingredients in the description box, so don't worry about it. And I'm going to get in there and just blend it all in there. Have this sit for half an hour. The cornstarch, give it a nice coat, and then I'll show you the next step. You can check it and see how sticky it is. So I'll put another one. So in total we have 5. So I really want it to be well coated with the cornstarch, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with the other ingredients that I show to you at first. I'm gonna prep our sauce that we're gonna put on our chicken later on. Sugar there, soy, hoisin sauce. I'm just gonna squeeze a little in there, cornstarch in there. I'm gonna whisk this because this sauce, later on you're gonna see what I'm gonna do with it. So make sure all the ingredients are nicely blended. You guys know me. I like to give it a taste because my flavors are really important. Okay, great. I'll add this later on. I'm gonna let it sit there until I'm ready for it to add it on to my General Tao chicken. And hi guys, this is Liz Magic. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you can see it. And for my usual and faithful people, thank you for always being there, supporting me. I do appreciate you guys. You guys also tell your family, tell your friends about Liz Magic. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you too can be notified as soon as I upload a new video. I'm gonna start cooking the chicken. I'm gonna add the vegetable oil to my frying pan, some sesame oil. I'm combining the vegetable oil and the sesame oil. I'm gonna put in my chicken in. Yes. I need my chicken to get crispy before I add the other ingredients onto it. So remember, I coat the chicken with cornstarch so it's gooey to your touch. I'm just gonna kind of loosen it up a bit because I don't want it to stick together. After a few minutes, I'll flip it over. I'm checking. and flipping and loosening up the chicken, prevent the chicken from sticking. As you guys can see, it's getting nice and brown on one side right there, and that's what you want. I love cooking with sesame oil. I love that smell, and it gives your food this unique taste. It's getting nice and brown, and that's what we're aiming for. I'm going to add a little more soy to it because you're aiming for that dark brown, and this is about a tablespoon of soy. I like it to be nice and dark. Look at it, guys. It's almost finished. It's nice and golden brown, coated nicely with the cornstarch. I'm going to take it out and show you guys the next step. Let me reduce my stove a little and move on to the next step with my onions, carrots, ginger, green peppers, and garlic. Remember the chili peppers, onion, garlic, ginger, all there. I'm just gonna dump it in the oil there, and I'm gonna saute these for 5 minutes. Let's put it back in the same oil I was using. The chili peppers there. Let that cook a little and then continue. To be continued. You can break your chili pepper into there. You can break it or break some if you don't want it too spicy. Checking in, checking in. This is when I like to do my taste test to see if I have my flavor in there. All good. Almost ready. And after this, I'll put back my chicken into it. Okay guys, there it is. As you can see, it's ready, and I'm gonna add my chicken into it. Here we go. The smell, it's popping. It is popping, the smell. So I'm gonna combine all that. Remember the sauce I make with the soy, the vinegar, cornstarch, and dark sugar? This is what I made it for. This is what I'm gonna do. So now I'm just gonna add it onto my chicken there. So that's what it was all for. And I'm gonna reduce my heat, cover it up, let it simmer for 5 minutes. Cover it. Checking in. The flavors are popping. It smells delicious. We're finished. General Tao chicken. And it's your girl Liz Magic doing it and doing it her way. I put my spin on it. From my kitchen to yours. Look at it, guys. Yummy. Here is it. Mouth watering. I can't wait to eat this. Bing, just like magic.